Welcome to the channel TM Fails Animal Fails. Our channel compiles the best and most unique videos on YouTube. This is also the channel where you can discover many interesting things about animals from all over the world, their failures, and their funny situations. If you find our content interesting, remember to support the channel by liking, commenting, and sharing. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see the next interesting videos.
This dog seems to really enjoy playing on the trampoline, but the snow was so much that it jumped up and slid down. This cat saw the little bird perched above the roof. It jumped to catch it, but because the bird was on top, it was okay. This dog has discovered a new way of skiing, and he's enjoying it. The snow was so thick that the horse mistook it for a mound, so he jumped up and sank deep into it. Luckily, it's tall enough to get out. I just practiced swimming for a bit, but the owner seems to be panicking. This cat smelled his master's socks and realized that they were too smelly. This slippery wooden board has pressed on the stairs, making it impossible for the dog to climb up. This little cat wanted to drink water in the bathtub, so he climbed down, but unfortunately slipped and fell inside. This parrot fell asleep to the point of losing control and falling backwards. The hole in the door was so small that the dog had a hard time getting through it. This dog plays on the slide in a way like no other. The snow in the winter made the dog think the water was frozen, so he jumped in and the ending was both wet and cold. Nope. Extreme irony comes from the position of the white cat. This printer spits out paper, causing the cat to startle and panic. Another cat climbed up a door and fell. The cat is determined to bring his favorite pillow into the closet, but because the pillow is too big, he has tried many times but still cannot bring it in. This little goat wanted to break through the door barrier. It didn't choose to jump over, but took the momentum and knocked it over.
Nope. Nope.
The little dog was busy playing and didn't look ahead, so he fell into the pool.
Bruh.
This naughty cat climbed onto the chandelier. Luckily, it's okay. The picture on the TV made the cat startle and run away, pulling the whole speaker on the table and falling to the ground. Because the bridge has water, this cat has skillfully chosen to walk on the bridge.
Nope. Nope.
This dog so passionately chased the birds that he dragged his owner into the lake, and both were wet. Two elephants were standing next to the lake when suddenly one elephant pushed the other down. It's unbelievable that this penguin has such a strong poop in the face of the bird behind.
Bruh.
This horse jumped very high to get over the fence, but unfortunately the entangled leg made it land on its back.
You feed them, you raise them, you send them to school, and they're still fucking stupid!
This girl was guiding her dog when she tripped and fell into the pool.
Bruh.
This cat was on the roof, but the trough fell, causing it to fall directly into the water tank below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and see you again.